Introducing the RTP33, the Rotary Tablet Press with 33 stations from LFA. The RTP33 is an economical yet extremely powerful pellet press designed for chemical, ceramics or food manufacturers who need to produce tablets or pellets in industrial quantities. With 33 stations, the RTP33 is able to produce up to 110,000 tablets per hour. When making a single-layered tablet, the RTP33 is able to produce 110,000 tablets per hour. It is also possible to configure the RTP33 to produce a double-layered tablet. The RTP33 is powered by a 2.2 kilowatt three-phase motor, which enables it to apply 40 kilonewtons of direct compression forces to produce your tablets. The RTP33 can produce tablets or pellets of up to 12mm in diameter and 6mm in depth when set up with RTP tooling. It is also possible to get the RTP33 with a Euro B or Euro D tooling turret. The RTP33 features a built-in powder suction unit that prevents the build-up of powder around moving parts, keeping the die heads clear for a smooth press operation. The RTP33 is a robust machine. Weighing in at 850 kilos, it has been built with practicality in mind. If you're looking for large-scale production of tablets or pellets whilst keeping the unit cost low, the RTP33 is an exceptional press. For more information on the RTP33, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.